Well, today I'm going to show you how to play a basic Kumbia beat on the drums. And at the end of the video, I've got a bonus for you. By the way, if you're new to Brad Allen Drums, I'm a former U.S. Army drummer now based out of Kansas City. I'm also a private drum teacher who has helped many students master the art of drumming, including my student Joel McCoy, who became a professional drummer and now plays in Nashville. Okay, Latin drumming is one of my favorite subjects. Cumbia music originated originally in Colombia and became popular in many countries south of the US border. It's an easy style to dance to, and it's also an easy style to play on the drums. Hey, if you're enjoying these videos, please click that like and subscribe button. That really helps me to grow the channel. Thank you in advance. Okay, for the basic Kumbia beat on the drum set, the hi-hat imitates the guiro rhythm in classic cumbia, which was originally played with hand percussion instruments. Keep it closed nice and tight to closely imitate the sound. The bass drum plays quarter notes, so when you put them together, it sounds like this. There are other variations possible, but this is the basic beat. The next thing to do is to try playing the basic beat with a Kumbia bass line. Interestingly enough, the Beatles used a Kumbia bass line on Obla Di, Obla Da. The drummer, Ringo, is not playing a Kumbia beat, but the bass player, Paul McCartney, is playing a bass line right out of Kumbia music. I'll put a link in the show notes below so you can play along. I hope you found this helpful. Now for the bonus. I've got a list of 10 beats with notation that all drummers need to know, available to download absolutely free. I've got an exclusive video demonstrating all the beats that's also free. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below. Please comment below and tell me 2 of your favorite Latin styles of music. I'll start. I really enjoy reggae, and I also really enjoy calypso. What are your favorites? Or if you just like to comment helpful, that would also be really awesome. Please subscribe to my channel for new drum videos every week. Thank you for watching, and I have another video about samba drumming that I know you'll also really enjoy. Please watch that next, and we'll see you next time.